revival produces the news and the noise of impact. When this was noised abroad, when this was noised abroad, and the news and the noise of revival always goes beyond the vicinity of the revival. It goes beyond the locality of the revival. It was noised abroad and it was mused abroad. It goes beyond the territory of the revival. If it is God that is working, there will be news. If it is God that is working, there will be noise, or both. When this was noised abroad. So there is the noise of impact. I like to let you know that impact is audible. Impact is audible. Impact is audible. Impact is visible. Impact is tangible. Anywhere there is the impact of revival, it is visible, it can be seen, it is audible, it can be heard, it is tangible, it can be touched. In John chapter 1 and in verse 1, 1 John chapter 1 verse 1, John began to say concerning the move of Jesus, he said, that which we have seen, that which we have heard, that which we have seen with our eyes, we have looked upon, our hands have handled. We have heard, that is audible. We have seen, that is visible. We have touched, that is tangible. Every impact of revival, every impact of what God does is visible. It is audible. It is tangible. If there is nothing people are seeing and nothing people can hear positively and nothing to touch, then that revival is in doubt. So there is the news and the noise of impact.